Humans once waited hours for food. Now, an entire meal can appear in under 3 minutes. Fast food didn't just change eating. It transformed cities, work culture, advertising, and even human health. And somehow, a simple hamburger became one of the most powerful businesses on earth. Fast food is older than most people think. Ancient civilizations sold quick meals to workers and travelers thousands of years ago. But modern fast food, that began with speed and standardization. As cars became common, restaurants adapted. Drive-ins exploded across America. People no longer needed to leave their vehicles to eat. Convenience became the future. Then came the breakthrough. McDonald's introduced the speedy service system. Food preparation became almost factory-like. Faster, cheaper, consistent. And the entire industry changed forever. Soon, brands like Burger King, KFC, and Subway expanded globally. Fast food became more than food. It became culture. Fast food chains spread into nearly every country on earth. Menus adapted to local cultures, advertising targeted emotions, and convenience became addictive. The industry grew into hundreds of billions of dollars. Today, fast food barely requires human interaction. Apps deliver meals instantly. AI predicts customer behavior. Some kitchens are becoming automated. Fast food is evolving again. But here's the twist. Fast food mastered something deeper than cooking. It mastered psychology, bright colors, fast rewards, cheap convenience. The industry learned how to make people crave speed itself. And in many ways, modern life started moving at fast food speed. From roadside diners to worldwide empires. Subscribe to Evolution tab, because next, we explore the evolution of video games and how they became bigger than Hollywood.